This is my blog, Brain Damage, a story of the multiverse, time travel, and foam. There is a large cold spot on the W-map image of the universe. This could be evidence left over from a collision with another dimension. In both brains, time seems to run in the same direction, from cause to effect, from Big Bang to heat death of the universe. The exact times of the brain collisions are not the same in each brain. Brain B's far future can collide with our past, present, future, and vice versa.
Examples of physical transfer of their future into our past, the Bermuda Triangle, etc. Examples of the opposite. Some UFOs are from their future. Man himself may be descended partly from them. In a few places, physical space and time in the individual brains mix together so that a temporary third reality forms. These are sometimes experienced as vivid dreams. Sometimes the gateway to knowledge of the future opens up in these dreams. Often jumping not using a machine, just mind to switch brains. There are many times more cells in your body than there are stars in the sky. The universe contains some very exotic substances such as neutronium and substances that can only be made, e.g. Bose-Einstein condensates. Bose-Einstein condensates were predicted in 1924 to 25 and made by Eric Cornell and Carl Whelan in 1995 at the University of Colorado Boulder. The solid is a self-reinforcing solitary wave that maintains its shape while it travels at constant speed. By John Scott Russell before 1882. He observed the wave at Union Canal in Scotland and described it. He was the first to do so as a wave of translation. A bion is to down. To solid in a down state is a bion. Our galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. They will pass right through each other peacefully in about a billion.
When galaxies collide, dark matter and dark energy associated with these individual galaxies play a role in maintaining cohesion in each one.
Bions can be composed of widely separated solidons. A quantum mechanical relationship can be established at an earlier time in the universe.
Long before the galactic collision, many bound soliton pairs exist with partners in the other galaxy.
Brains are associated with the solidons. Dark solidons have been produced in Higgs-Boson condensates. Are they evidence of dark energy?
They are almost not of our 4D world. When brains collide, exchanges of matter and energy can occur. Solidons and bions form and unform as the brains collide again and again.
Brains come in various sizes, from the one associated with our physical universe to those associated with tiny virtual particles, the foam.
Our universe's brain may be folded over itself, with the part associated with our galaxy colliding with the brain region of Andromeda.
The brain regions associated with each galaxy collide long before the physical galaxies collide, exchanging solidons and dark energy and mass.
On the mid-Atlantic, ridge banding indicates the regular expansion of the sea floor due to tectonic activity. More narrow bands are a mystery.
A cue ball is a type of NT8 non-topological soliton. NT8 represents an unusual coherent state of matter, bulk matter, e.g. dark matter.
A change in topology is called a modus variation. A modus variation in the brain may be related to the presence of dark energy.
In the third brain created when brains collide, there is a dream world where dark solidons crash into our world, maintaining a flat universe.
Let's call the part of our brain associated with our galaxy brain A and call the part of our brain associated with Andromeda brain B.
Garth Wallace looks up from the notes he is composing for his lecture on brain dynamics and time travel, wearily squinting out the window. He is Dr. Garth Wallace, Ph.D. Actually, graduate of MIT and head of the Dr. R. E. Wembley, deceased, Synchrotron Expansion Project Chalk River. Born in 2028 in Vancouver, BC, he is in charge of one of the most intense programs ever researching particle physics in the early universe.
Dr. Roger Elias Wembley, his deceased mentor, has recently killed himself performing the very experiment he must now continue.
In essence, the experiment involves a feedback loop, the world's fastest computer in standing wave.
A mysterious ball of energy forms. The energy is believed to be a form of the Higgs-Boson particle manifesting as a time traveler inside its own wormhole.
All the data is bad. The particles seem to not be Higgs bosons at all, but some more massive particle. Then an even more massive version of the particle is found.
The nature of time travel is that the Higgs boson has to spend more time proportionally in our 4D space, causing a modus variation in 11 space.